Hey guys, welcome to Green Light Coding. This video is only for programmers. If you want to compile any Java program in CMD, you need to type in CMD Java C space file name and Java space name of the main class of your program. To make this easy, you can use batch script, which will surely reduce the effort to type the command line each time for each program. So to compile your Java program through batch script, you have to follow some steps mentioned here. At first, make sure that JDK is installed on your PC and path is added or not. Now write the code given in the description, then save it with .bat extension, and your file is ready to compile Java programs. Now remember one thing: you must name your Java file as per name of the main class of your Java program. Then you can open the batch file and type the name of the file without extension to get the output.